Okay guys, so we have Dylan, he's picking up my car over there. He's gonna do some crazy stuff, Deadly Customs. I'm gonna link the description down below with all their details, so check them out. A lot of custom headlight work and wrapping and everything that you need. So I'm keen to see the reveal. He's gonna go a bit wild. So yeah, thank you bro, really appreciate it, and can't wait to see the car. It's gonna be crazy. No
1 week later.
Okay guys, AJ's got the other camera, so the car's behind me. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm super excited to see what Dylan's done to the car, and also just to showcase to you guys what Deadly Customs is all about and what they can do. So yeah, AJ's busy recording me right there. You guys are seeing this at the same time, so I'm gonna insert both clips, so let's go. Shit. First thing I can see is the headlights. That looks dope already. Fuck. And oh, the headlights actually look super sick, guys. Ooh, shit. Fuck, it looks insane. Yo, and he got my headlights so nice and clean. Oh my, even exceptional. How's it, bro? Jeez, it looks insane.
How's it, buddy?
Yo, the roof is, I didn't even notice the roof. It was so shiny from there, it looked white. So yo, even the roof is wrapped black. And he's put on the new windshield banner for me as well, and ripping the Ford squad. That's the Ford squad, right?
Fiesta and Figo.
Oh, Fiesta and Figo, sorry, Fiesta and Figo. Fuck, looks so sick. Let's see. Oh, and he also did a windshield wiper delete. That looks dope. Fuck. I haven't seen the car in a while, but I missed it definitely. So tell us how long it took, tell us what everything you did. I'll obviously go inside. I know you did something else special inside the interior as well. I have a little race now, or just now we'll have a little race as we leave, just to see how the power looks like. But yo, that looks so sick. Oh fuck, I didn't even mention the fogs. They see LEDs, the small LEDs like have always been flickering, you guys know. That looks so sick with the daytime running lights. Oh. Just gives it a completely different look. Like it makes it feel like the car looks more aggressive. I don't know. It's just me. It looks so cool. Let's see. Let's put on the hazards quick. Yo, turning signal and hazards. How sick was it? Yo, guys, as I said. So he does a whole bunch of custom work, different platforms as well. What other cars have you done already, headlights wise?
MK6, GTI, Audi A3s, mainly Fords.
Mainly Fords, but yeah, he does other platforms as well. So if you're interested, get hooked up. As I said, I'm going to link his stuff down below, so check him out. But you've got on your Instagram pages of most of the cars you've done already, right? Go check out Deadly Customs on Instagram. Most of the cars that they have done are on there. But as well, like obviously from the Ford runners, a couple of guys who I took photos of as well, who has done headlights by him, so those will still be posted as well. But I'm just gonna bask in this quickly again because it looks fucking insane. Jeez, fuck's sakes. I don't think this engine base has been this clean since I got the car. Holy shit. Yo dude, thank you so much. It shows me that I need to take more care of my engine bay, because as you guys would see in some of the videos, it's pretty much dirty always. So yeah, I need to lift my standards. All the pipes are clean, everything. Fuck. He's got the pre-facelift. It's like the facelift, but so if you guys, for the guys who have the wide mouth Figo, this is what the headlights look like on that. Oh shit. What sequence was that? Is that just like the thing that the LEDs do?
Yeah, that's the same.
Oh, it just looks different because it's in a different pattern. But oh, so you see both. So both sets of headlights. This is the facelift. That's the pre-facelift. They look absolutely insane when they have the daytime running lights in.
Now I need to redo this freaking car completely. No,
However, so you keen to see something sick? Yes, this guy's just taking some photos of you. Just show them there quickly. AJ is fucking hitting the bangers, yeah. AJ and the bangers. Sheesh. What a day, dude. You had me so excited, and I must say the car turned out absolutely insane, guys. I don't know if you guys agree. Let me know in the comments down below, and as well, go check out Dillion's Instagram, Deadly Customs. I did put in a little clip of the number and the name on Facebook, Instagram and Facebook.
Mainly Instagram.
Mainly Instagram, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna post a couple of the photos from today. They came out dope. As you guys can see, the ones that AJ are busy taking are absolutely insane as well. So as you can see, now that there's a little bit less light, the difference between the facelift headlight and the pre-facelift headlight looks really cool at night and makes a big difference. I think aesthetically to the car, it makes it look a little bit more aggressive. So bro, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Guys, visit the link down in the description below. Check this man out, he's gonna be moving closer, so that's gonna help a lot. especially with some business in Joburg and Gauteng. So we'll let you know when he's a bit closer, then also let you guys know about the little Figo social club, or Ford social clubs are going to become Ford social clubs. So yeah, thank you guys for joining for another video. AJ looks like he's busy taking videos of my penis. But anyway, on that note, thank you guys for joining. We have a beautiful sunset behind us. But thank you guys for joining for another video. Let me know about what you think about the cars. Dillion's car's actually fucking insane. Actually, just want to get some interior shots as well. But yeah, he's done so much more to his car than I have done to mine. He spent a lot more time and effort on it, but definitely a good example to aim for finished results. But yeah, as I said, thank you for joining for another video. We'll insert some racing clips now. Let's go. Well.
Memphis, man.